What'd you guys do?
We just do a whole bunch of squiggles.
That way, then it goes down here.
Oh my goodness. Let me go check.
Even on the blue. We did it even on the blue. Of course I had to do that. And then we went here, there.
Where?
And there. And then over there.
Oh, that's really nice.
Ow.
That's
I
really
don't know what I did. It
pretty.
just hurts.
You guys made a peace sign there, right?
I did.
Yeah, she was doing that while I was doing that.
Oh, okay. Very nice, Allie.
I feel like going back in the pool.
Oh, God.
I don't know why.
That's why I didn't take a shower, because I know I'm going back in the pool.
Mm,
Someone's pool.
got it.